come around here. What do we have? Holy shit. How's the race? How are you doing?
Stupid gun, man.
Is it?
Spitting hard out, you can see it.
So yeah, here we go.
What's up? What's here's the tank one.
Yours. Opposite side to the drop box. Oh, there it is. Oh, cheers. So, off to Featherstone to drop off that sun glare thing on the back that you can't see because it's so bright. And then off to the workshop. Right after a diesel stop because need diesel, but kind of works. Up the workshop, Bishy's in the engine bay. Don't really know what he's doing, but he's there. Jamie's car's on the hoist. Waiting for stank, man. Waiting for all the steel, which is on the back of Sid. Stock car's got a Commodore bonnet on it, good for the weekend. But yeah, I'll take some clips, photos, and we'll go from there. Sweet. Just boot it. Just boot it. Big question is, I've got split. Yep, looks good to me. Right, Mom. Beautiful. Get in the mirror. Haven't had one for forever. Whoa, what the hell was that? Who's that guy? Who's that guy? What happened to your top? What'd you do?
Put a hole in it.
Oh, no respect. No respect. Oh, 11:15. Can't see you. Not going to say why. But yeah, 11:15 leaving the workshop. Lights are average, nil. Yeah, didn't achieve a hell of a lot, I don't think. But, it's a night away. Ready for racing tomorrow. home now. Probably have a shower. Face a bit black. Nice split on my lip. Sick. Just put my stuff on charge. Can have a shower, go to bed. I'll try and do some videos at Speedway, but not a huge fan of this in front of people because you look a bit silly. It's my theory anyway, especially on a phone because that's what I use. Maybe if I had a decent camera, or might look like a official vlogger, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna drink one more beer, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow. We'll try and go live today, tomorrow. I don't even know. See you next vid. Cheers.